Let's now get you some breaking news that's coming in from Jharkhand Assembly. Now, there's been a row over Minister Hafizul and his oath in the Jharkhand Assembly. BJP leaders have said that during that oath of office and swearing of secrecy, the way the Madhupur MLA Hafizul Ansari started with a religious line after the call for oath, that was all unconstitutional, and therefore the administering of the oath to him needs to be done again. Until then, he should be considered free from the post of minister.
मैं बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम मैं हफीजुल हसन अल्लाह के नाम से हर्फ लेता हूँ। मैं सच्चाई और ईमानदारी के साथ अहद करता हूँ कि आइन के जरिए कायम दस्तूर हिंद के तई सदाकत और ईमानदारी रखूँगा। रियासत झारखंड के वजीर के हैसियत से मुझे जो फ़र्ज सौंपा जा रहा है उसे वफादारी और फ़र्ज शनासी के साथ अंजाम दूंगा, और यह कि मैं हर तरह के लोगों के साथ बिला किसी खौफ या जानिबदारी या अदावत के आइन व कानून के मुताबिक इंसाफ करूंगा।
Let me take this across to my colleague Arunima, who is joining us on the broadcast. Arunima, is this unnecessary badgering, considering he has started his oath with Bismillah? They usually do that when starting something new. And now the BJP knocking on to the governor's doors. What do you think the outcome will be about this?
Yes, Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, in fact, if you see the tweet that Himanta Biswa Sarma has put out, Jharkhand Mukti Morcha has responded to that tweet itself, asking him what his objection is if the oath is being taken in the name of God, Allah or Isu, which is Jesus Christ. They go on to say that this is just because you have nafrati rajniti or your politics of hatred. You have a problem every time somebody invokes the name of Islam or the name of Allah. That's the charge that JMM has made. Bharatiya Janata Party, however, is saying that there is a prescribed oath. There are just two lines, which is a prescribed oath, and only those two lines are valid constitutionally. Anything else that is added is not constitutional, and therefore he cannot be, asked to continue as a minister till he takes the oath properly. This controversy we saw in the run-up to the Lok Sabha oath as well. There was controversy and objections when Asaduddin Owaisi took oath. There was objection when a Hindu Rashtra invocation was made by one of the Bharatiya Janata Party MPs. The end result usually is that if there is a problem with the oath, that part is expunged. It's not taken on record. But so far, we have not seen a precedent where either the MP in case of Lok Sabha or in this case the minister's full candidature itself is challenged or cancelled.
Right, Arunima, thank you so much for all of those details. With that, we are shifting